Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're going to be drawing Patrick Star from the new SpongeBob movie. It's going to be easy and quick, so come join us. Alright everyone, let's get started with Patrick Star. This is going to be so much fun. We're excited for the new movie too. We haven't watched it yet, but like in his name, Patrick Star is shaped like a star. So what we're going to do is, we're going to do the top of his head, and what we're going to do is, I'm going to turn the paper actually. And I'm gonna make something that looks like the letter C, right? It kind of looks like the letter C. I did it right in the middle of the paper, and I just left the tiniest bit of space at top. And then from here, we could start drawing what's gonna look like a star. So we're gonna do like a point, and the point looks like a triangle. So from here, I'm gonna come down, and I'm gonna come out with a diagonal line as if I was making a triangle. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the left side. So here we have his head. And then from here, we could do where his body's gonna be. So we're gonna start with his arms because they're outside, and then we're gonna do his belly. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna do one of his arms right here. So from where I stopped his head, what I did was, I made a curved line that looks like a hook or looks like the letter J. And I'm gonna do that same design on the left side. Only thing is, on the left side, it looks like a backwards J, and also the curved line comes out and then it hooks. So there we have his arms, and then from here, we could do his body. So what we could do is, we're gonna copy the same curve, and we're just gonna go a little lower. So I'm gonna make a curve, like a backwards C on the right side. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side, and I'm gonna stop at the same height. The left side looks like a regular C, like a big C. And then we could do where his stomach ends or where his body ends. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna turn my paper just because it makes it easier. And I'm just gonna make a curve to connect the point. There we have his body. The curve kind of looks like a smiley face too. And then what we're gonna do is, we're gonna copy the same curve right underneath, and it's gonna be super thin. So I'm gonna do that. This is where his pants are gonna be, and then we could just connect this part from his body to his pants. And then for his pants, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna make two curved lines that come down. So look, I'm gonna come from here and just make a curve like that. It kind of looks like a straight line, but it curves in a little bit. And we're gonna do the same thing at the left side, and we're gonna stop at the same height. There we go. And then what we're gonna do is, right in the middle of everything, of his body, of his head, of everything, we're gonna come down. So I'm gonna come down, and I'm gonna make like a little point. And then from this point, I'm gonna make a curve like a smiley face, and it's gonna pass through here. So I did like a little smiley face, and I try to make it right in the middle, same side for his right leg and his left leg, because this is where his legs are gonna be. We're drawing his pants and we're drawing his legs. So from this point on the right, I'm gonna make a line that goes diagonal to the left, and then on the left, diagonal to the right. Cool. And then from here, we can make horizontal lines to connect this point to that point, this point to that point, and I'm just gonna turn my paper because it's easier. So there we have his shorts. We're almost there, guys. So hopefully you're finding this easy and fun. Please give the video a like and subscribe. So let's continue. What we could do now are his feet. So what I'm gonna do is, on the outside, I'm gonna come in a little bit more, and I'm gonna make a little point. And on the inside, I'm just gonna come in a little less. I'll do the same thing on this side. And then what we're gonna do is, I think it would be easy to flip the paper all the way around. And just like his head, we made like a triangle, but it's more curved at the top. We'll do the same thing. So it's almost gonna look like a hill or like a rainbow. So there we have one foot, and then we'll do the same thing on this side. And I try to make sure I did it the same height. So there we have his feet, and now we get to do all the fun things, all the little details, right? So let's start with his face. And the first thing we're gonna do are his eyes. So right in the middle of his head, of his body, of everything, I'm gonna make a point, and I came down, leaving some space at the top. And then we're gonna come down a little bit more and make another point. This is where his eyes are gonna start, and that's where his eyes are gonna stop. So from these points, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna make a curve that looks like the letter C, or a curve that looks like an oval. See, just like that. Kind of looks like the letter C, but it also looks like an oval. So we're gonna do the same thing on the right side, just the opposite way. And we'll connect that. And then for the details inside of his eyes, we're gonna draw an oval on each side. These ovals are right in the middle of his eyes. And what we're gonna do is we could just draw a line through this, like a vertical line, to separate his two eyes. There we have his eyes. Super easy, right? And then we could continue and we could do his big smile. So right under his eyes, we're gonna leave some space on each side and we're gonna make a curve like a smiley face. So it looks like he's smiling, right? But we're gonna do a big smile because Patrick Star is always happy, right? So what we're gonna do is from these points, I'm gonna make a big curve and connect it to the other side. Here we have a big, big smile for Patrick Star. And then we could do his tongue. So his tongue is gonna look like two hills or two mountains connected to each other. And I did it right at the bottom and I made one smaller and one a little taller. Super easy. Then last little detail, at the points of his mouth, we're gonna do curves like frowns. And these are just little details for his mouth. We could do his eyebrows. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a curve like a rainbow. And at each point, we're gonna make little horizontal lines. And then from these points, we're gonna make little triangles, just like this. So from the horizontal line, we did little triangles. And then we're gonna do another rainbow at the bottom. And we'll copy that same design on the left side. There we have his eyebrows. So what we did was the curve like a rainbow, two little vertical lines, a little point in like a triangle, and then a curve to connect it. So there we have his eyebrows. And now we could do the details of his body, like his belly button. So we're gonna come down right in the middle of his body. I'll make a little point. And from this point, I'm gonna make a curve like a big smiley face. And then right above that one, I'm gonna make another one, just smaller. His belly button, super easy. On his body, he has spots, so I'm gonna do circles around. So I'll do one right above his eyebrow, one on each arm, and then some all over his body. Just like that. He has some spots on his body and we'll color them in when we get the chance. And the last thing I promise are the design of his shorts. So he has like little flowers on his shorts. So what we're gonna do is right in the middle of his body, I'm just gonna draw a little horizontal line. I mean his shorts. I'm gonna curve each side. And then from here, I'm gonna make a hill. And then I'm gonna make a hook or something that looks like the letter J that connects to the top of his shorts. And there we have one flower. And then for the flowers on the side, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make something that looks like slide going down. We're gonna make a backward C that's pretty long. And then we're just gonna make a curved line that connects to the bottom of his shorts. And we'll do this same design on the left side, just the opposite way. And there we have it, guys. There we have Patrick Star, SpongeBob's best friend. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna color him in. So grab whatever markers, whatever color pencils, whatever crayons. Let's color him in and stay tuned for the final look. All right, everyone, and here we have Patrick Star. Look how cool he looks. So the only thing that I really did was, obviously I colored in pink, kept his shorts the colors they really are. I like to highlight my drawings just so they pop out more, or outline my drawings. And then his little spots, I did them a pink that's a little darker than his skin. Red mouth, red tongue, darker red mouth. And there we have him. There we have Patrick Star. I hope you guys found it easy. I hope you guys found it fun. Please stay tuned for more cool drawings, more cool characters, and we'll see you soon. Please like and subscribe. Bye.